Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Sanrock U52 drone. The Sanrock U52 is one of the best under $100 drones on the market. It's jam-packed with features that make flying fun and easy for both kids and adults. If you're looking for an aerial camera, this may not be the best drone for you because it only has a 720p HD resolution. You shouldn't expect studio quality footage, or anything close, with a camera that can only capture video and photos in 720p HD quality. However, the camera on this quadcopter takes good photos and videos during the day. The images are automatically saved to your phone storage, eliminating the need to purchase a micro SD card specifically for the quadcopter drone. Most drones under 100 are unlikely to have 6-axis camera controls. It can only be adjusted vertically. The Sanrock U52 is ideal for beginners because it has a plethora of features that make it simple to fly. It has one-key takeoff and landing, as well as altitude hold mode and headless mode. Other flight modes include draw route, one-key return, and 360-degree flips and rolls, which are sure to keep your kids entertained for hours. Our second best drone under $100 is DRC Gravity Control Drone. DRC has you covered if you're looking for a drone that's both affordable and has beginner-friendly features. DRC is a Holy Stone label that is used to sell and market beginner and toy drones. This drone is intended for beginners who want to learn how to fly and record video with a drone. This drone's battery life is surprisingly long. You can expect about 15 minutes of flight time on a single battery. It also comes with a spare, allowing you to enjoy the game for an additional 12 to 15 minutes. DRC includes a 1080p HD camera capable of recording video at 30 frames per second. The DRC drone has a foldable design, but that is not what distinguishes it. It comes with voice-activated commands. You can control the drone's flight by giving it commands, thanks to the built-in G sensor. Although the control range of only 100 meters could be improved, there are always trade-offs. The FPV mode is relatively stable but only lasts a few seconds. When FPV is enabled, the transmission range is cut in half, to only 50 meters. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Zenfold Drone for beginner. The Zenfold drone is the best option if you want a less than $100 drone that can capture beautiful aerial photos of your family's adventures. Aside from being easy to fly, the built-in 1080p HD camera captures vivid photos and videos. Furthermore, for a small drone, it is very stable. Slight gusts of wind will not cause it to tumble and dip. Zenfold includes two 800 mAh batteries. One battery can keep the drone in the air for about 10 minutes on a full charge. In many cases, it's slightly less, so we recommend getting a new battery. The transmission range of only 80 feet is disappointing. If you get too carried away, the drone may lose contact with the transmitter. With FPV mode enabled, the range is even shorter. The Zenflot has a 1080p camera that can capture stunningly vivid photos and videos at 30 frames per second. In addition, the drone's camera has a wide-angle lens, which makes taking photos easier. The FPV quality is adequate for a budget drone, but the range is disappointing. It's only about 30 feet long, so use caution when using FPV. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Force One F100GP drone. The F100GP RC drone is designed for adventure, featuring a 1080p HD action camera and a GoPro action camera mount compatible with GoPro Heroes 3 and 4. Expertly capture HD photos and video footage with this GoPro drone. Tougher, more powerful brushless motors provide a long flight range of up to 500 meters. This drone with a 30-minute flight time races in 2 speeds and comes with 3 interchangeable RC drone shells. Enjoy a panoramic view and perfectly capture moments from the sky in vibrant colors with this video drone. This video drone can be set to record from above during its flight. High landing gear protects your quadcopter drone camera when landing. This MJX Bugs 3 remote control drone flies smoothly with a 2.4 GHz remote. Drone kit includes 1800 mAh LiPo drone batteries, balance charger, 4 extra propellers, and 4 propeller guards. The F100GP Ghost GoPro Ready drone with camera for adults comes in the original F100 Ghost drone packaging. If you are not completely satisfied with this elite brushless drone with camera, we will provide a full refund. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best drone under $100 list is Potensic A20W drone. The Potensic A20W is an excellent choice for introducing your child to drone flying and photography. It has an HD 720p camera for both films and images, though the quality isn't quite professional. In addition, the bundled remote has 2.4G Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect to the device via an app for even more functionality. With one-button takeoff and landing, as well as headless and altitude hold modes, the A20W is simple to fly, especially for those new to drones. When using a smartphone, gravity induction mode is available, allowing you to control the drone by tilting the phone. It is extremely stable to fly for such a small, low-cost drone. The strong propeller guards are a welcome sight, protecting the drone, your home, and other people, especially since this is intended for children. Up to 31 minutes of flight time, a top speed of 44 miles per hour, a takeoff weight of 907 grams, a 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, and SD card support up to 128 GB. Active, Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, and HDR photos are among the features. On a full charge, the standard remote controller has a battery life of up to 135 minutes. Use in conjunction with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.